Here is how to do this roundabout. Junction 10, M6 heading from Wolverhampton towards Walsall. There are two lanes going towards Walsall, the left lane and the middle lane. I would recommend using the left lane, especially if you are a new driver or not so experienced. The left lane will take you to M6 North and Walsall. The middle lane will take you to Walsall and M6 South, and the right lane will take you to M6 South. As you enter, like here, keep there just to the right but not in the right lane, and keep in your position. At this moment, check the left mirror to see who might be coming from the left. Keep your position. From here, check your left mirror, indicate left. Obviously this time the traffic light is on red, so we'll just wait till it goes on green. If you find yourself in the right lane at this moment, you have to indicate an exit in the right lane. If there's someone occupying the left lane, then obviously get back over in the left lane when everything is safe. So that's a explanation of how to do it. A lot of young drivers and new drivers find it a bit challenging. Follow for more roundabouts and driving tips at Drive Past Learners at TikTok, Everton Owens as Facebook, and Locksmith Official on Instagram.